What's up, guys? Box came in. What's in this box? First off, what is this box? You know who that is. You know who those guys are. Right. All right, let's see what's in the box. All right, let's see what's in these boxes here. It's Christmas, yay! What is this? We need that razor blade again. Let's see, what is this? Oh, those plastic pieces. They're only $15 on this one, so that's a plus. All right. While they're like $150 for the V1 bumper, which is crazy because it's almost the exact same part. What's this? Oh, these are the things that go on the sides of the bumper, though that might have given it away of what bumper it is. The hardware needed. Gotta love that. Let's see what we got here. Ah, yes, new bolts for my air valve stems there. All right, so those were all little knickknacks. Let's get rid of that box. All right, what's in this box? That box might give it away. All right, we got our two fenders, so I'm gonna move those away from the bumper so I can open it here in just a second. Let's move that out the way. All right, let's see what else we got here. What's in this box? This one's kind of heavy. What's in here? What we got? Oh yeah, that's metallic. That is the Z1 aluminum undershroud. So now little kittens and things that I run over, God rest her soul, will no longer mess up the bottom of the car. Dope. All right, let's put that on my makeshift workbench here, the box. There we go, boop. All right, oh, it's 3 parts. Wait, where's the bolts for this? Don't tell me I got to get my own bolts. There's got to be some bolts in here somewhere. Oh, well, that's not cool. Hopefully they're, what's this? That's, oh, yes, the undershroud stuff. Cool, dope. Okay, very good, very good. All right, can add this to my collection of boxes over there. All right, what's in here? Nissan Group genuine parts. What genuine parts did Nissan send me? Let's see. Dun 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 dun. What's up in here? Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. No, yeah. All right. So if that's that, that means this is the other one. Has anyone figured it out yet? What type of bumper it is? You should know by now. Yep. I'm gonna take that one out. Don't want to break it. I know I'm excited, but jeez. All right, enjoy my collection of boxes. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. What's in the bag box thing? Whew. I guess they made that so I wouldn't have to cut it, so I didn't mess up the bumper. I love Z1. They do everything right. They can do no evil.
My soul cries out hallelujah. Thank God for saving me.
Actually, I should probably leave this in here until I'm ready to do it. Is this upside down? Looks like pieces be missing. Oh, pieces don't be missing. Okay. Wow, it looks completely different on the inside than I would think. Come here. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Clem. Come on. Come over here.
What we got here, guys? What do we got here? Come on, paper. Hold me up here. Oh wait, I gotta keep it on this stuff. V2 bumper, Nismo V2. Very good, very good, very good. Oh, it sure is spotty. Let's indulge here for a second, guys. Oh, God, stuff all over that. Gonna see how this works. Oh. Oh. Ooh, sorry. Didn't mean to step on you like that. Just gotta go. Oh. I know I sound a little weird, but I'm pretty excited, guys. I'm pretty excited. Oh. Oh. Let's see, does that look as good as I think it might look? It's not bad. I actually will say I kind of prefer the V1.
No.
Let's put these little red stripy things on here. Maybe that'll make me feel better about it. I think I prefer the V1. Okay, let me let the hood down because that kind of makes a difference. Crud. All right. It's not bad. Definitely needs to be painted. Definitely needs to be painted. It's not bad though. No, it's not bad. It's okay. Let's see, I wonder if this front splitter, old broken Betsy here, works for this V2 bumper. Because I love this front splitter, and I want to use it more. Oh my gosh. No, it does not, because it will jut out way too much. I mean, it would if I didn't have other holes in it. Well, big old holes up in it, it would work. It actually wouldn't look too bad either. But it needs its own spoiler, or its own front splitter. But I've already have an idea of which one I want to get, so that's good. And I didn't get that emblem, but I think I am now because it does look kind of bare without it. It does look kind of bare. I was trying to keep it as a clean black look, but I don't know. I guess I have to see it all the way painted and shiny and blending in. And I think once that's done, then yeah, I'll be able to draw a conclusion. But it definitely needs a front split. Whoa! A front splitter. Almost bust my butt there. Definitely needs a front splitter. It's too much like the original bumper to not have one. I mean, it's got the little red flares, but yeah. All right, finally got the bumper on. About to take it for paint. All right.